the match. Look at the blend. It's giving scalp. Bow head, skirt red. I know how to bad, gelled up, weaked up. It is a little French piece down.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine.
Hey y'all, it's Kimberly K. Come back to you guys with a new video. I am excited because my hair is done. You know when your hair is done, everything else like just works out. I feel like I'm in a better mood. I feel like I'm healed, I'm healthy, I'm happy. Oh! Y'all, when I tell you, Better Length did it again. If you can't tell by the title, you already know. I'm back with my girls. This video is sponsored by Better Length. I am so excited to be working with them again. If you've been on my channel for any amount of time, if you've seen any hair video, then you've seen Better Length. And we got a little Christmas tree. It's holiday season. Not me in the blue, matching the... I went with a middle part and it looks so good. I'm going to show you guys the unboxing, how I wash the hair, as well as the install and styling. I did get it professionally done because one thing about it is, yeah, I can do a lot of things, but doing a sew-in, I cannot. This is a traditional sew-in. I have a little bit of leave out at the top. Look at the match. Look at the blend. It's giving scalp. Like, what? Girl, please. I got 2 bundles and it was more than enough for me. I did use all the bundles. Okay, we use every bit of bundle. I have 1/16 at the top and an 18 at the bottom, but it is cut into layers. I'll like pop on the screen a little video of me really getting into the hair because my girl Brandy did that. Yeah, I will leave my stylist information down below, and any coupon codes and links and things will be down in the description box as well, so check them out. But let me start talking. And oh, and I will say I've tried Better Length's clip-ins, tape-ins, bundles. I love their hair. My go-to texture is the Kinky coarse. That is my preference. It matches my hair to perfection. I am a natural hair girly, but I just wear my hair straight. So my hair is pretty much used to being straight. Now this piece sticking up. Used to being straight, but I'm obsessed.
I gotta hit 'em with an update. Okay. I been getting to it when I'm up late. Hit it when you at the front gate. Hey, act like that, no. Guess I gotta hit 'em with the update. Really with it, I ain't got a pump fake. Killer flow and hit 'em with the one take. Act like that, no. Guess I gotta hit 'em with the update. Okay. I been getting to it when I'm up late. Yes, sir. Hit it when you at the front gate. Act like that, no. Guess I gotta hit 'em with the update. Really with it, I ain't got a pump fake. Killer flow and hit 'em with the one take. Please tell me what's to them boys. I know they ain't talking about me. Hold up. All up in the DMs for the feature, I know they ain't talking about free. Shorty, no lie, no leap. I ain't gon' lose no sleep, you don't have in this Jeep. What you gon' sow, you gon' reap. Bet I'm gon' kill what I eat by the end of this beat. Put a little honey in my tea, put a little pep in your step. I bet on my soul we feast. Bet you don't go, I bet you don't know these freaks. Got a hit in that note on key. Put it on baby, on mammy, on God, on me. You not no G. I be in the spot low key. I been at the crib, probably wonder how I got your key. They act like they ain't know it. Guess I gotta hit 'em with an update. I been getting to it when I'm up late. Hit it when you at the front gate. They act like they ain't know it.
About his skirt red. I know him bad, jailed up, weed up.
Guess I gotta hit 'em with the update. Really with it, I ain't got a pump fake. Killer flow and hit 'em with the one take. Act like they ain't know it. Guess I gotta hit 'em with the update. I been getting to it when I'm up late. Hit it when you at the front gate. Act like
that too. I was like, maybe it's just like, or just like weird.
Damn, guess I gotta hit 'em with the update. Really with it, I ain't got a pump fake. Killer flow and hit 'em with the one take. Please tell me what's to these lanes, they must be out of their mind. Must be. All up in that face tryna hit up. I know he ain't talking about mine. Putting that work on my grind. Putting that purp in my lung, I'm putting that work on her spine. Put a little drink on my tab. Long as she working that back, I ain't hurting, I'm fine. I bet I go earn it right back. Just hit up my jack, got 'em working my line. I stay in my lane. I ain't even tripping off yours, I'm too worried about mine. You not on no rise. Ain't having no motion, we so tired of your lies. Ain't one of your guys. Can't fit in my shoes, little buddy, them not of your size. They act like they ain't know it. Guess I gotta hit 'em with an update. I been getting to it when I'm up late. Hit it when you at the front gate. They act like they ain't know it. Guess I gotta hit 'em with the update. Really with it, I ain't got a pump fake. Killer flow and hit 'em with the one take. Act like they ain't know it.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. Let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, need me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, baby, need me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line.
So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have no complaints. I haven't had any shedding. Y'all already know the vibes with better length. If you guys are looking for some good quality hair, especially if you're a natural girly, I am a type 4 natural girl. My hair does straighten pretty well though, but still, if you're a natural girl and you love like texture, you love volume, you love like good quality bundles, and it's a lot of hair on the weft. Like if you get 18 and under, y'all, 2 bundles is pretty good. Now 18, you could do 3, but of course it's gonna depend on your head as well. But and the way it straightens so well and curl, I'm obsessed. I literally am obsessed. It's amazing. So definitely make sure you guys check out Better Length. Y'all know I love a little behind the ear. A little behind the ear. I keep looking at the viewfinder. Look at, yeah, it's giving scalp. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And check the description box, y'all. Okay, I got a code or something down there. Okay, save a little bit of money. Okay, get your holiday hair going on. Matter of fact, year round. Get your looks together, sis. Like if you are looking for some hair, I've tried a lot of companies, okay? And I keep coming back. Every time I try to leave, something keep pulling me back, telling me I need you in my life. Also, if you don't know, you're about to find out. I always end my videos with an affirmation. So if you did make it this far in the video, comment below. I am capable of anything I put my mind to. Period. I'm gonna run it back one time for the one time. Comment below if you made it this far in the video, this affirmation. I am capable of anything that I put my mind to. Especially when my hair is done. Yeah, I love you guys so much. And I will see you in my next one. Later.
Lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies.